I found this old foosball table at Frenchie's. Frenchie's is basically a used clothing store, but you never really know what you're gonna find. I bought this table with the intention of tearing it apart, just because foosball parts are extremely expensive online. I used 1x12 pine boards to recreate the sides. I drilled holes in the same spots as they were on the original table. Then I framed it together with 2x4s to allow the play surface to have something to sit on. From there, I added the inside and outside end pieces. This was my first time building legs. I ended up using 3.5 and 2.5 inch boards and offsetting them to give them a unique look. I made these legs quite long. I'm 6'4", so I didn't want to be bent over playing foosball. It's probably a foot taller than most tables. That's why I'm glad I never glued the legs on. Just in case I have to move this thing, I have to take the legs off just to fit it through a door. It took 3 coats of stain to get the effect I was going for. And here it is, all put together. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And turn on your notifications because I've got something really interesting coming later on this week. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you soon.